Hello! Today we are going to make a little lantern for you to keep in your bedroom or to have outside on your porch. So with that, you'll go into your supplies and find this battery operated candle, a pair of scissors, and a bag. When you get all of these materials, if you can come back and join me as we make our lantern together. So to start, we will cut a little bit of the top of the bag. So it actually might already be creased at a point where you would want to cut it. And when you are using scissors, you are very, very careful. You're sitting, and you would also want to make sure that your parents know that you are using scissors. So as you cut the bag, I'm going to make like a jagged edge around the top. And it's up to you on how you want to make your top of the bag. And you could even do like something pointy. I'll do that at the end just to show you. And take your time. So I made on this side just kind of rounded cuts, and at the end I made it pointy just to show you two examples. And you get to choose however you want to do it, or maybe you just want to cut it straight across. Then we're going to make some holes in the bag so when we add the candle that some light shines through. One way to do this is on the edge that you can just cut, like I'm just cutting little triangles, like little triangles out. I'm also going to give you a tip. These triangles might fall onto the floor, which is fine, but you have to make sure that you pick them up. So when you're making crafts at home, make sure that you clean up after yourself and are responsible in that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video just like you can, and you're gonna work on cutting little triangles on the side, and then when we open it, we're gonna have some light. So I'm gonna pause the video, you finish cutting the sides, and then we'll come back together. All right, I'm back, and you can see that I cut on the sides, and then when I open the bag, that there's some area where light will be able to shine through. There's one more thing that we can do. So I'm going to carefully fold my bag back, be gentle, and push it back in. And what I can do is, I can fold it like hot dog style, like that. And I could just add a few more of those triangles. I'll show you, just example, like let's say I added one more triangle. And again, I'm careful because when these pieces fall, I don't want to have them all over my house. So I'm keeping track of that. So I have a little triangle, or, oh my gosh, it almost looks like a mouth. Maybe I could even make one that has an eye. Just thought of that. So I could do it that way, or I could draw, maybe I was going to cut out a heart. So you see how I was doing that? I was cutting out like a half of a heart. So you could do something like that. And then when you open your bag, like that, okay, then you will take your candle, and at night, oh, that's funny. Hopefully your candle works. The one candle, okay, I'm gonna go get a candle that works. If for some reason you have a candle that doesn't work, you need to message me and let me know. Doesn't that figure? I'm demonstrating this for you, and the one candle I pick is the one that doesn't work. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I found a candle that works. So tonight, when it's getting dark out, you could either place this on your porch, or when you go to bed at night, if it's okay with your parents, you could have this on in your room on your nightstand, And what I would love is if you took a moment and wrote tonight, which I will do as well, a little bit about what you notice with the light. So when the light is flickering in my room, I notice. Or when the light is flickering outside, I notice. And just make a little list of things that you are noticing. Set your timer, or just sit in your room quiet for a little bit and notice if any reflections or any thoughts that come to mind. All right, can't wait to hear about what you write with noticing the light. Have fun making this today. Don't forget to clean up your materials. Put your scissors back where they belong safely, and all of those little papers and edges, make sure they make it in the recycling bin. All right, thank you.